Even after a year of political tension and divide, Wednesday's riots at the U.S. Capitol reached a new level. It's just the latest event to bring up feelings of anxiety and uncertainty in many.
Alex Valverde spoke with a licensed psychologist about what those images and information can do to our mental health and how we can navigate those feelings as we enter a new presidency. And she continues our U.S. Capitol siege coverage.
For many, watching the events at the Capitol unfold was startling, and the images and constant updates can take a toll on mental health.
It's very normal to have a lot of strong feelings of anxiety or sadness or confusion or uncertainty and all that.
Dr. Felita Olderando, a licensed psychologist and associate director of UK's Counseling Center, says it's important to recognize the signs of anxiety, like increased heart rate, trouble sleeping, and changes in eating habits. If these feelings continue and affect your daily life, it could be time to seek outside help. But as for the short term, he says self-care like meditation, exercise, and socializing with others is essential, and also limiting your information intake.
I think it's helpful to be informed and to kind of know what's happening, but then also not to just inundate oneself with information repeatedly. Watching images that are disturbing over and over again or reading a lot of the same information over and over again is not necessarily helpful.
Dr. Olderando also says to focus on what you can control, and that could mean putting energy into being politically active in local causes if you want to take action. As for handling tense relationships over different opinions about the siege,
I think people need some time to process and kind of work with their emotions before they go and have difficult conversations with people who maybe are on the other side of the political spectrum.
He says if a conversation gets too heated, though, it is okay to step back. And as we move forward into a new presidency, feelings of uncertainty may linger, but there are things people can do to take care of themselves and those they care about. In Lexington, Alex Valverde, LEX 18 News.